What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on this Craftsman. I don't know if you guys can see that. Craftsman lawnmower. I have 158 cc's. I've had it running before. It ran perfectly. The only thing is it's been sitting for a while. Don't know if I can get it running. If I can't get it running, well then, just gonna sell it for parts. But if we can get it running, we're just gonna use it. But yeah, pretty good. We're in a little bit of a different spot today. Just because I don't want any trees falling on me. One thing I don't want, like that one right there. And that one. They can still kind of reach me, but only the top of them, so that should be fine. But yeah, there's not gonna be any time lapses. I'm using the GoPro on the small tripod because it's too windy for the big one, and second of all, I don't know how to use the big camera. Kaylee knows how to use that better than I do. So but yeah, not gonna be any time lapses. Nothing like that. We're just going to tear it apart and show you everything. So I got the toolkit here, and we're just gonna tear this top cover off and everything like that because you know, kind of sucks that it doesn't run anymore. I wish it did, but it doesn't. I'm not really sure what size thing to take. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, this was actually in one of my videos explaining what's wrong with it. I don't know if I blew it up with not having enough oil in it. What? Because there's like a little bit on the dipstick, but it is just very, very hard to pull. Plus, it needs a new cable, and yeah. Basically just gonna find out where I put the bolt. There. I got it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, it's very hard to pull. So we're just gonna tear it apart and see what's going on inside there. So you guys stay tuned, and hopefully we get this thing running. I've had it running before. I have proof because Kaylee knows. She helped me. I didn't like it anyways. Basically, what I remember, I do know we have to tear apart this mechanism back here. Right there. Because it doesn't really move. So, yeah. That's the original. I think someone just slapped that on there for show to make it not look as old. But that looks like the original motor. And that's how it's supposed to be. But, yeah. Just gonna get to tearing it apart. Sorry if I'm not talking much. Trying to hurry up and get this finished because I don't really want to be out here while I have to. It's very windy. Very, very windy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is too windy for me. Too small, of course. But, there's probably going to be multiple parts to this. I have half of mine just to tear it apart and sell it for parts. But, I want to see if I can't bring it back to life. Because everything deserves a second chance. No. I don't know. Too small. I know this one isn't going to work. It is kind of a sunny day out. It's kind of both, actually. But, yeah. No, it's not. Here. As you guys can see how loose the bolts are. Pretty sure you guys can see. You can already tell that we've taken this apart too many times. I think we're gonna leave this here. No, it's fine. But yeah, it's kind of windy. You guys can see. So I think we got everything removed. I know it's not this much hard to pull. It's just this right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. I think it's just way too windy today for all this. And I'm still kind of scared that one of these trees is gonna fall on me. So I might just pick this up whenever it is not so windy, because I like to stay alive and not die. So I guess I will pick you guys back up when it is not so windy. Welcome back. It's actually the next day. So you guys seen yesterday that we took everything off of this, like all the top pieces, like this red thing, and this right here, covered up because I know it was supposed to rain last night, which it did. Yeah, I think I found out what I'm going to be doing with this. I'm probably just going to be taking it apart and sorting it out for parts. Like the flywheel here is gonna go for sale. The this piece, whatever you call it, the one that supplies parts to the car, not to the carburetor. What am I saying? To the spark plug here, and then yeah, and then we're gonna sell the blade, gas can, the carburetor. But first, I'm going to see if I can get this to spin freely, and if I can, I should be able to run. So, I just want to see why this is so hard to move. Oh, so I think I found the problem. Funny story. I think it's just this right here. So I'm gonna actually just pull this apart, because I know we need a new one of these. I'm gonna pull this apart for now. See if I can't get it to move freely. So that way we can actually use this. Maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to use it, because it's already spinning a lot freely. I don't know why. I think it was just that one piece there that's supposed to stop the flywheel from spinning. So that's the only problem. I'll be pretty happy, not gonna lie. Alright, we're back. Yeah. So, you guys just stand tight here. But yeah, I think this is the problem right here. If it is, that'd be great. I didn't have to take apart everything that I took apart last night. But yeah, I don't know if I can get this to move. I might need a new one. I might not. I don't know. But we'll find out. Step on it. I don't know. It's barely moving. Get it. And this might be a short video. I know I'm not talking very much, but it's like, I don't know if you guys can even see me right now, but yeah, Haley is not on the channel as much anymore. She will hopefully be in some videos coming up soon. But yeah, this is our videos for now. Hope you guys like it. Just that. Fun story, before me and Kaylee actually took this apart, with that tool case and this, we took it apart, like a few months back. You guys seen it in like my second or third video that I posted, explaining I couldn't get it to start. I think this is the reason, but pretty sure we got gas. No, not as I can feel. I don't know, I think we have still a little bit left down in the garage. So, I guess I will get back to you guys whenever we get a chance. And I guess, alright, so I got the wire on, as you guys can see. But I just have to go down there and get some zip ties right here. So I will zip tie the line onto the mower. So hopefully 3 is enough. That's how many there were on. That's how many were on it at first. But yeah, just gonna set you guys up here, and you guys can watch me. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. There we go. I wish we had a lot more flax. Yes. There we go. Got it. There we go. So now we're gonna clip this. If it would let me. No, I'm not gonna clip that. It does how it is. See if I can pull some of those away. Alright. There we go. Now, I'm going to throw everything back on here, and you guys can watch. So basically, I said this in my other videos, everything goes back on in the opposite way that you guys put it on. Took it off, sorry. So I took this off last, so this will go on first. So, if I can find birds, hate them. Well, I don't hate them, but can be annoying sometimes. You need to make sure they don't take you guys. Because for them, you look like a snot. I'm trying to remember what things did I use last night. I'm gonna ask Kaylee if she wants to come out and watch. Because I know you guys haven't seen her in a while. So and I don't really like that red piece. I'll throw it on when I want to, but for now, it's just gonna stay off. I'll put the oil thing back on. And like I also said in my other videos, anybody can do this kind of stuff. It's not that hard. It's pretty cool once you think about it. recommend do not use when you could use it when you're taking them out or taking things apart. A driver or a drill. But I do not recommend you guys using it to put things back in, because that's how you strip things out. If you don't know what strip things out means, it's basically when you tighten a bolt too much and it just ruins the threads, so it has nothing to tighten on. So that's what it means to strip things out. So yeah, so I recommend using a ratchet or just a wrench to put things back on, but you can use a driver to get them back out. That's just something I would prefer. You don't have to do that. It's up to you. Now, I'll kid you guys, when me and Keely, or just me, just trying to start this thing out in the yard. See you then. Alright guys, Keely's filming.
No.
You want to see, can't start this thing. See if this has any gas in it. I do not know if it does. Barely. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the keys and I'm gonna go get the rest of the gas in the garage. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. There we go. I don't know. Sounds good.
There you go.
Don't mind that clunking at the end. We have to get a new cable. I just wanted to throw this old cable on, and
We also need to sharpen the blades.
Yep.
Okay, here.
So I guess this is gonna remain staying on the channel. You guys will definitely see this in the future. It runs. I just need to get a new cable right there, and it should run pretty good. So I'm gonna go put this up and bring you guys with me. So originally I got this mower from someone's trash. I know that sounds bad, but it was something. It's something. It's better than going out and paying $150 for a mower that does the same exact thing than getting one for free that needs a little bit of work. But yeah, I'd rather have this than one that I have to pay for, because I know I had to put a few bucks into this, but as soon as I sell that motor right there, we should have plenty of money. And not gonna lie, the garage is starting to get full of way too many machines. So just gotta get to selling them. This one's gonna stay with us. This one's gotta go. Plan on posting that on Facebook Market, so if any of you guys are interested, just to be over there. But yeah, this is the cart for it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.